What's up guys, my name is Jordan from Monster Motoring, and Subaru invited me out here to check out the new BRZ TS. I don't know what to expect, I have no idea. Let's go see it. Oh wow, oh my goodness, straight to red line, my god. Oh my goodness. That's ridiculous. Oh, the grip. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Truly does not make any sense.
What do you think?
That's mind-boggling. The braking's like violent, but soft at the same time. It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah. Well, we have the new Brembos on, and STI did an incredible job tuning the suspension to where it is that sort of stable feel. It doesn't roll a lot, but it still produces good ride and good grip.
Those two things should not go together in a car that comes from the factory.
You get to park a race car in your garage.
Oh, wow. A stock car should not be doing these things. I appreciate it, man. That car is ridiculous for what it is. It's crazy. That was all real.